just want to say I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
I took a flight for the paddock. You sent me all so dramatic. I guess anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. So today is, I believe it's Saturday the 18th, 8:41 a.m. I have a Pilates class at 9. I'm about to head to. I think it's like 13 minutes from me. I should have left a little bit earlier, but child. I don't have my lights. Oh, for those that are wondering or whoever cares, I'm using my GoPro to film right now. And I did buy a light to go on it, but the thing is I need to buy the media mod also to attach it. I had a light that I purchased previously, but the light was really too big and just overpowered the GoPro, and it was super loud. I mean, not loud, it was super bright. You couldn't really change the settings of that light. So yeah, it's not as bright as it could be, but we're gonna fix that. Don't worry, y'all gonna see the progress. I'm gonna show you guys the media pod when I do get it. But this is, I like to use my GoPro for vlogging here and there, you know, action videos such as going to the gym, going to Pilates, anything fitness related. That's really what I want to use it for, and anything outdoors. But I haven't been outdoors like that, to be honest, as of lately. But you know, we have it here for whenever we need it. Shout out to my boyfriend for buying me the GoPro Hero Black 11. I love him, loving me. Okay, so I'm going to this place called Fit and Functional Northside. By the way, I am in Tallahassee. This is in Tallahassee, Florida. So, and I booked it on ClassPass. So it's saying that I'm 12 minutes away and I should get there. I hate that it always pulls up Google Maps because I'd rather use Apple Maps because it just, I don't know. That's what I'm used to using. But this really don't matter. So I'm gonna get there at 8:55. So let's go ahead and go. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Sorry about the darkness. Like I said, we're gonna fix it.
I like cash in my head to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast? Fuck the fame, all I want is them bands. If she keep on mugging, I'ma still her man. He watching my behavior cause he know I'm bad. Pussy put a spell on him, he in a trance. I do what I please and you do what I ask. He love my confidence and that's what you lack. If you think I'm still in swag, bitch, come and sue me. They watch me like I'm a new movie. His baby mother is my groupie. We got the club going up on a Tuesday. Like a OMG girl, I'm a beauty. If it don't go my way, I get moody. Nigga flexing on you is my duty. I'm the big dog, my nickname is Scooby. Who got beef with me? Girl, you don't wanna compete. I'm too fast on my feet and you know where I be. Making you mad is my specialty. I'm the petty queen, I need you to have a seat. My dad would drill you like a cavity, and he won't let you in on his strategy. Better think twice when you come for our family. Honey, you're gonna cause a fatality. Can't do no broke hoe, they give me allergies. But I know they love my personality. Maybe cause I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody could tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I can say I did it with no help. Bitch, I'm a little savage, I like the rebel. Guess my mama don't like it, she keep raising hell. They know I'm the shit, I wonder if I smell you. Can't take nothing from me, cause this what I built. He say he know me, but it don't ring a bell. Nigga, I'm not buying the dream that you sell. And if you betray me, then you took a L. My pockets felt like that ass, I came Michelle. Damn, who got beef? I'm trying to find something to eat. If she the up, then bring her to me. I don't give a fuck about her name in these streets. Ain't no running up on me, bitch, I'm guarded like I'm an Obama. If they hit you, you gon' need your mama. They got heat, they ain't talking no sauna. Look how you don't want no.
My GoPro was on 85% and now it's on 13%. The class was like an hour long, so it's not too bad. I have 2 hours left on my memory card, but I feel like I had y'all in there looking crooked. I was trying to hurry up and get set up, and I was trying not to break my tripod, honey. I heard it crack while I was trying to get it situated, but everything seems good. I really enjoyed that class. Jessica was my Pilates instructor. She was really cool. She gave us a good workout. You know, I love going to the classes that have the young girls instructing, because I'm a young girl and I be needing somebody to work me out. And I'm happy to say that she definitely did not disappoint. So if you're in Tallahassee and you want to do a Pilates class, go on ClassPass or just go to the actual building here. It's called Fit and Functional, and book with Jessica. I'm gonna go ahead and drive back to where I need to go, and I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Let me just get myself situated. I enjoyed it. I will give her 5 out of 5 stars, because I was in there, my booty was burning, my legs was burning, everything was burning, and it was a workout. I felt like I actually went to the gym. You know, I love for my Pilates to feel like I actually came back from a workout session, because sometimes, like I told y'all before, it don't feel like that, but I'm realizing majority of the classes do feel like that. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna definitely look with her again. I'm gonna look right now actually to see what other classes she'll be doing. So I am back from Pilates, and I just want to say I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. So I'm finna go take a shower. So yeah, Pilates was good. Like I said, my instructor's name is Jessica. She's here in Tallahassee at the Fit and Functional Gym. And yeah, the ladies gave me compliments on my little socks. I don't know if I showed y'all. These are my grippy socks that I use. I got them from Bonita Springs. And that was my very first time ever doing Pilates. So I really love these. I washed them at least 4 times and they look good still. The brand is Tuckett, Tuckett, if anybody's interested. And it has like this see-through mesh material. And yeah, they allow the toes to also be on that. They allow for the toes to be exposed. I don't like for my toes to be like, I don't know, I feel like my toes be trapped when I have socks on or when I have shoes on, and I just like having my toes out. That's just my personal preference. But yeah, I probably will get some more. I really don't need any more. I'm probably gonna just run these into the ground, to be honest. I'm gonna just run these into the ground. Let me turn the camera. I'm probably just gonna run these into the ground and then get another pair when I absolutely have to, because I don't want to carry around a bunch of socks more than I need to, you know, that's necessary. But yeah, I'm getting in the shower. I'm trying to muster up some energy. I should eat something. I didn't stop to get anything to eat. I really don't know what I want to eat. I feel like I should get something that's, you know, appropriate, as in healthy, to go with the Pilates class, because the whole point of working out is to feel good and to get more fit, and I can't get more fit and feel good if I'm gonna eat, you know, a Whopper or a Big Mac after doing that. It has to balance, has to make sense, right? So like maybe a fruit bowl, maybe a salad, maybe something from tropical smoothie, you know, something that's hearty but